This is session number 42, that is Taylor series for third semester BE students. So we are moving to the problem number 3. Employ Taylor series method to find y at x is equals to 0.1 correct to 4 places of decimal. Given the linear differential equation dy by dx minus 3y is equals to 3 into e raised to x, whose solution passes through origin. So problem number 3. So what we have to find? First we have to write data. So what data they had given, we'll check. In this type of problems, linear differential equation dy by dx. So what is that? So dy by dx is equals to f of xy, as we had seen in theory, is a differential equation. It is a differential equation whose solution is y is equal to f of x and y of x naught is equals to y naught be initial value. These are the initial values. That means here in problem the solution passes through origin, means x naught, origin means x naught is 0, y naught is also 0. That means y of x naught is 0 and is equals to 0. Y of 0 is equals to 0. This is a given data. So first we have to write given data. What is that? First you write this one. Dy by dx means y dash. Y dash is equals to 3 into e raised to x plus 2y. And next, just I concluded this one, y of 0. So y of 0 is equals to 0. That means this is the origin. X naught, y naught is 0. X naught is equals to 0. Y naught is equals to 0. So Taylor series expansion. Taylor series expansion is given by, what is that application? Very important application. Yes, y of x is equals to y of x naught plus x minus, yes, x naught. Next y dash x naught. Here 1 factorial is there. If you want you can write, otherwise 1 factorial is 1 only. Next definitely x minus, again x minus x naught, this time it is square divided by here 2 factorial. Next y double dash, again x naught plus again same term x minus x naught cube 3 factorial y triple dash x naught plus so on. So this will be called as equation number, the equation number 1. So x minus x naught the whole square, next time x minus x naught the whole cube divided by 3 factorial into y triple dash x naught plus so on. So next, what we have to do? What we are going to prove here? We have to find y of x is equal to 0.1. That means y of 0.1 we have to find out. So I am writing here one sentence. We shall compute y of 0.1. So here y dash it is given. Y dash is equal to, first time write 2y plus 3 into e raised to x, correct? 2y plus 3 into So y dash is equal to y plus 3 into e raised to x. Next, y dash of 0, initial conditions. Initial conditions means y dash of 0, it is 2 into y. Y at 0, it is y 0, y naught plus 3 into e raised to 0. So 2 into 0, 0, e raised to 0 is 1 plus 3, it is 0 plus 3, it is definitely 3. Next, y double dash. Y double dash is, so differentiation this term, first this one, u plus v formula. 2 into constant 2, differentiation of y is y dash plus 3 constant, differentiation of e raised to x is e raised to x only. So y double dash of 0 is equals to 2 into y dash of 0. Initial condition we are inserting here. So it becomes y dash of 0. Y dash of 0 is how much? 3 plus again 3 into e raised to x is there. Initial condition, that means x naught, x0 is 0. So 3 into 2, 6, 6 plus 3, it is 9. Next one, y triple dash is equals to this one. Differentiation of this one, we will get y triple dash. 2 constant, differentiation of y dash is y double dash plus 3 into e raised to x. 3 constant, differentiation of this term is same, e raised to x. Next, y triple dash at 0 is equals to 2 y dash. Y dash is how much here? Y dash of 0. Here initial conditions means, here if it is initial condition, that means this is y dash of 0. Y dash of 0 is how much? 9 plus 3 into e raised to x. X means 0, x0, x naught. We have to insert the value of x naught is 0. X naught of 0 is 0. It is given here in data. Next, what answer we are going to get here? 9 into 2, 18 plus 3 into 1 here. 18 plus 3 is 21. Next, from equation 1, we have, so equation 1, what it says? The y of x is equal to y x naught, this one. Is equation number 1. From equation 1, we are going to get y of 0.1. We are going to compute x value 0.1. So first one is y of x. X is 0.1 is equals to y of x naught is equals to y of x naught. X naught is how much? 0 plus x minus x naught. X is how much? It is here 0.1. 0.1 minus 0. 0.1 minus 0 is 0.1 only, divided by 1 factorial. So it is 0.1. 1 factorial is 1 only. So y dash of again x naught 0 plus again 0.1 minus 0. It is 0.1 the square divided by 2 factorial is 2 only. Next, y dash x naught 0 plus definitely 0.1 the over cube. This is x minus so 0.1 minus 0, 0.1 the cube divided by 3 factorial. It is 3 into 2, 6. Next, y triple dash of x naught. X naught is 0. Next, by considering terms up to third degree, we have y of 0.1 is equals to y of 0 is how much? Y of 0, yes, y of 0 is equals to 0. It is definitely 0 this term. Next 0.1 into y dash of 0. 0.1, this is 0, this is 0.1 into y dash of 0. Y dash of 0 is how much? Yes, definitely y dash of 0 is 3 it is. Plus 0.1 the whole square, 0.1 into 0.1, it is 0.1, 0.1. So 2 decimal, 1 into 1 is 1, 2 decimal shifted, 0.01 it is. Divided by 2, y double dash of 0, y double dash of 0 is nothing but 9, plus 0.1 the over cube, 0.01. So we can here 0.001 divided by 6, y triple dash of 0 is definitely it is 21. Next, thus if you are using calculator, so we can calculate, we are going to get y of 0.1, this is y of 0.1 is equals to 0.3485. This is the final answer for this problem. In latest VTU examination they asked this one. What is that? So term containing e raised to x. Similar type of problem they are asking every time. One term they are changing. If it is 2y, they will ask 3y. Here, if it is 3, they will ask 2, or simply they will ask e raised to x. So students be careful here. So if you are learning this single problem, that means 3 problems we have solved. So you can solve the problems based on Taylor's series.